Hello and welcome everyone to the Blackboard. I'm here in Delray Beach, Florida because I'm meeting with our new teammates from Accu-Trade. Here to break down the game plan we're working on is their Chief Technology Officer, Jeff Zamora. Thanks, Mark and Bob. And just a level set, we're in a hotel conference room. Nonetheless, Jeff, welcome to Cars.
Thanks, Joe. If we just look at what we can do together from the front-end customer experience, we can empower local dealerships to provide guaranteed instant cash offers from their Dealer Inspire website and the Cars.com marketplace. A guaranteed upfront offer that you at the dealership can't lose on, because if for some reason you don't think you can turn it for a profit, we'll buy it from you at the same price, guaranteed.
I want to underline that because this is an important point, and it's more than just a cool website feature. It gives local dealers the capability to compete head-to-head with national retailers who are offering these sell your car in 2 minutes experiences. That instant guaranteed offer becomes your why sell. Just like we all talk about a why buy, that is now a why sell. To offer guaranteed cash offers, we need to have some confidence though in our appraisal data.
Right, we have all the confidence because we own Gal's Market Data, the leader in wholesale vehicle data, and we're now part of Cars, the leader in retail vehicle data. And we simply get richer data from the consumer. We don't just guesstimate on their year or make model, we see the history of their VIN, the market demand for their trim and interior color, whether they have a moonroof or winter package, and we get real-time insight into its condition. Collecting that data not only makes the appraisal more accurate, it makes the consumer more likely to transact because we go deep and we've been doing this for over a decade.
And that data just doesn't help you appraise the vehicle, it helps you turn it for a profit.
Right. Our dealers get unprecedented insight into where they should move each VIN for the most profit, whether to retail or auction or sell to another dealer or liquidate using our guarantee.
Okay, so a topic near and dear to me, dealer websites and internal operations. By and large, these are all full of different widgets and tools that just don't talk to one another. Our connected platform at Dealer Inspire is built to fix that. So Jeff, tell me how Accu-Trade is gonna make that experience better and not just add something on top of it.
Accu-Trade has a single consistent vehicle value. No matter where the consumer is, on a Cars.com, on a Dealer Inspire website, or in person at the service bay with our OBD scanner, they're going to get that same value. That increases consumer confidence and operational efficiencies. Our industry can't afford that disconnect anymore.
And on a Dealer Inspire website, we'll actually pre-populate that value. So if you tell us about your vehicle on the trade-in page or in a text, we'll remember it when you're customizing payments in Online Shopper. So now websites, chat, and retailing all connect.
Yeah, and I feel like we're just scratching the surface here too.
We are just scratching the surface. This is the tip of the iceberg because we're not just future-proofing vehicle acquisition. On the retail side, we have the opportunity to fundamentally change the wholesale market.
Joe, dealers are eating way too much money disposing their vehicles to wholesale. Our data and platform will open many more channels, especially dealer to dealer, that have the potential to turn vehicle disposal into a profit center for dealers.
Look, we could spend all day talking about this, and we actually have a bit today. But we need to get to work and show you. Jeff and I can't wait to demo all this in action at NADA or wherever you're at. This is a real opportunity to not only gain an edge on your competition, but fundamentally change both the retail and wholesale sides of your business. So stay in touch, thank you, and we'll talk soon.
All right.
Woo! Good job.